Okay, I'm going to make another video here because I want to see the difference between Facebook's live video feed and this. This is recorded, obviously, but I want to see the difference in the sound. You're not going to be able to see above because I put the tripod up already, but I just want to see the difference in sound quality. I'm gonna play go back and play a couple of songs I already played. Jam tracks is what they call them. I gotta turn the air off. I'll leave the fan on because it's getting a little stuffy in there. But oh, let's see. Man, I hope I didn't lose them already. Oh man, I already lost it. Okay, well, I'll just play this one again in just a couple minutes. I just want to see the difference in the sound quality. Facebook's live video was just too choppy. So let me play a little bit without the music. Fix my cymbal here. Got to twist it around somehow. It's a nice little set for nice little set. I noticed that what I'm hearing volume-wise is totally different than what's actually recorded. At least on Facebook, it's actually louder in the recording. That just doesn't sound very loud to me right now. Like those little ghost notes on here on the snare. When I start playing with the music, I can't hear it, but on the recording, on the playback, it sounds, I can hear them. So I'm going to have to keep that in mind when I start making these videos. And as I practice, I will get my chops back. I'm really rusty right now. That's not very fluid. Just that bass pedal is so loose, I can't control it. But here we go. I'm going to play a little bit with the music and that'll be it, because my day is almost over. I got homework and I got to go to school and a lot of stuff to do. That sounds low to me on the drums. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit.